What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Feature Friday again, and I want to introduce you guys, if you don't already know him, to my fast friend, Taiho. He has quickly become close friends with me and others in the New York City e-bike community. He's an awesome guy. He comes up from Maryland to do rides with us and vice versa. Some of the guys go down there to do rides with him. And I finally caught up with him at the last mile PEV ride of the year, which was a holiday themed ride, and got a quick little interview with him. So let me roll that for you right now.
Okay, every time I see this, I can tell by the way you do certain.
Got two of the newest Zoozers here. Uncle Richie with a nice, beautiful flex. Taiho, where'd he go? There he is. There he is. Look at that, powerful lithium battery on there, front forks. And you got room for a spare battery in the back too, even if you... Awesome. Awesome.
They should make the seat.
How do you like it?
Oh man, I love this thing. I think I'm gonna be riding a lot with this bike. It's user friendly. It's light. I don't have problem loading it in in the bike bag.
Right.
I love it.
How long have you been riding?
About a year and a half, I think.
Okay.
I started April of 2022.
Okay, all right.
So it's about a year and a half.
What made you get into it?
My friend from California, his name is MN Super 73, told me to buy an e-bike. And I said, what is an e-bike? So I started my research, and then my first bike actually was a Super 73 S2.
Okay.
And because I actually saw Chris Shover's, videos on YouTube. So I didn't do much research on it, so I just said, buy this, and that's what I bought.
Excellent.
That was my first bike.
What's the community like down in Maryland?
We're growing big.
Growing?
Actually, Maryland, we call it DMV.
Okay.
It's actually DC, Maryland, and Virginia.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's like tri-state.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have a huge community there, and it's run by district nomads.
Okay.
So yeah, it's the membership is growing. It's
Cool.
really growing.
Excellent.
So yeah,
Awesome,
I'm happy to be here.
Yeah.
Again.
Thanks for giving me a
I
little
love New
interview.
York.
I like this. I just figured I'd grab a quick interview. I wanted to do a Feature Friday
Oh
on
yeah,
you, so
yeah,
maybe
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
throw
yeah,
that
I
on
saw
there.
it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Oh, thanks,
Have a
man.
good ride today.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you got a Zooz, man.
Oh yes. I love this thing.
Nice. Blood in, baby.
Not only you.
Yeah. Awesome. Blood in. Okay, today's hazing.
Here we go.
Awesome.
So that's it. Thanks for watching. He's our newest NYC Zooz Club member, even though he's from Maryland. So let's hear it for Taiho. I'm going to do a little shot of mezcal in his honor. Cheers. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.